18 minus 6 divided by 2 minus 3. 18 minus 6 will give us 12. We put down our 12 here. Then 12 divided by 2 minus 3. 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. Then 6 minus 3 will give us 3. 3 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, division comes first before subtraction. So we work with our division first before subtraction. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. Then we have 18 minus 3 minus 3. Then we have subtraction and a subtraction. We work from our left to our right. 18 minus 3 will give us 15. Then 15 minus 3 will give us 12. 12 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.